Hi everyone, my name is Mir Ahmed Khan and welcome to day 1 of the 30-day gsap challenge. If you have even wanted to add smooth, powerful animation to your website, this series is just for you. In today's video, we will cover 3 important things. First, what is gsap? Second, how to install and use gsap via CDN. Third, how to create your first animation using gsap. So first discuss what is gsap. gsap stands for GreenSock Animation Platform, and it's like magic wand for creating animations with JavaScript. With just a few lines of code, you can move things around, fade element in or out, rotate, scale, bounce, or even trigger animations based on scroll. It's super smooth, fast, and work on all major browsers, which is why top companies like Google, Disney, and Apple use it in production website. Next, we discuss how to use gsap. Let's get started by adding gsap to our HTML project using a CDN. This means we don't need to download anything. For this, I open a browser and here I search gsap CDN. Next, click on this link gsap library CDN.js. Scroll down and here you get a first link, simple copy script tag and go to your code editor and in index.html file before the closing body tag, here you can paste the link. Once that's done, you are ready to animate. Let's now create our first animation, a simple box that's move from left to right when the page loads. So I open my code editor and here you can see I have a 3 file. First index.html file, second style.css file, and third is script.js file. In index.html file, first we create a structure and here we need a box. So here I write a main tag and give a class name to main. After that, in main tag, I create a div tag and give a class name to box. Now I go to style.css file and first select universal selector and give a margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. And after that, we select a main and here I write a width 100%, height 100 VH, background color black, and after that we gave a padding 10 pixel top and bottom, left and right. In next step, I select a box class. Now I gave a weight 100 pixel, height 100 pixel, and also give a background color yellow. And also give a rounded border. So here I write a border radius 10 pixel. I save the file and now I go to a browser. Here you can see I get these outputs. I have a black background and I have one yellow box. Now I want to move this box from left to right with the help of gsap. For that, I go to a VS Code editor and now I go to script.js file and here I write a gsap code. First, I write a code and after that, I explain each and everything. Okay, so here I write a gsap.to and here I select dot box because I want to move box. So after that, here I write object and in this I pass a value x300 and duration 2 and after that I write is power 2 dot out. Save the file and now I go to a browser and here you can see our box move from left to right. Again I reload, you can see it's moved from left to right. So now we understand this line of code actually what we can write here. gsap.to is a method that tells gsap to animate something from its current state to a new state. Next, I use dot box. This target an HTML element with the clause box. You can use it on divs, button, image, anything. Next, I use x300. This moves the element 300 pixel to the right using transform translate x. Next, I write duration 2. This means the animation take 2 seconds to complete. Next, I write is power 2 dot out. This create a smooth natural motion. It start fast and slow down at the end like a car braking gently. So remember, gsap.to is perfect for animating from the current position to a new one with full control over duration, easing, and movement. That's it for day one. You just learned what gsap is, how to install it, and how to create your very first animation using gsap.to. If you understand the basic, try changing the x value, the duration, or even the color of the box to practice. In day 2, we will go deeper and learn the difference between gsap.to, gsap.from, and gsap.fromTo. Three powerful ways to control your animation. Make sure to follow or subscribe, hit that like button if this helped, and I will see you in day 2. Thanks for watching.